The global standard for precision sensor welding, TATE. In temperature sensor production, welding precision determines sensor accuracy, stability, and durability. But poor weld quality can lead to fluctuating resistance values, inconsistent sensor performance, and high rejection rates. That's why the biggest names in the temperature sensor industry rely on TATE. Our state-of-the-art resistance spot welding machine is specifically designed to handle RTD sensors, PT50, PT100, PT200, PT500, PT1000, K-type, J-type, T-type, EP, N-type, R-type, S-type, thermistors, NTC, PTC. Then we're custom temperature sensor applications. Why choose TATE? Flawless weld quality ensures stable resistance values for long-lasting sensor performance. Universal compatibility, a single machine for all platinum sensors, thermistors, and thermocouples. Reduces defects, increases yield, prevents weak joints, oxidation, and material waste. Trusted by the industry leaders, TATE is the go-to welding solution for top sensor manufacturers worldwide. Struggling with welding issues? We have the solution. Worried about inconsistent weld strength? TATE delivers uniform, repeatable results. Tired of excessive heat damage? Our precision control prevents overheating and oxidation. Need to scale up production without sacrificing quality? TATE optimizes efficiency and yield. Contact us now. The best manufacturers have already made the switch to TATE. Why wait? Tell WhatsApp 863-662-6505, info@tate.com. Upgrade your welding process and experience.